Good morning, YouTube. This is Automotive with Adam Levine. I'm resetting the maintenance light on a 2014 Nissan Altima. What you want to do, you're going to press this button right here. See how you're going through the functions. You're going to get to settings.
Okay.
Use this right here to scroll down. Vehicle settings, maintenance. See maintenance, you press enter, push the enter in. Service, enter. See how it's go down, reset, go back. I do for the tires too, but if they ain't set, yeah, see they set, just reset it. Go back, other, reset. There it is. Easy peasy. Subscribe to the page. Thank you.